Right on, Speaker, I want to thank you. I have been consulting with the law here over the issue of the order paper. Right on, Speaker, procedurally, motions of this nature are either moved by the Prime Minister and usually seconded by the law, or vice versa. I am now seeing the Prime Minister is not here and the leader of opposition is here. In fact, the entire front bench, right on, Speaker. I want to understand, and I'm not so sure who to ask, but I'll ask you, the head of the institution. Is this a message by government being sent that they are disinterested in the death of the Honorable Ssegirinya? The absence of the entire cabinet being absent, is it a demonstration that they are disinterested in the death, burial, and perhaps sickness and everything connected with the Honorable Ssegirinya? Do we proceed normally without this House recognizing the visible and loud absence of the central executive? And right on, Speaker, you as the head of the institution, are you privy to any information as to why the executive is not here and why our colleague should not deserve the presence of the executive? Right on, Speaker, I think this House should take very strong exception to the absence of the front bench.